Hi, we're Big Y's registered dietitians, Andrea
And Carrie, when it comes to balanced eating, there's a variety of pasta that fits any lifestyle.
Made with ingredients like chickpeas, these pastas provide more protein than traditional pasta.
With similar taste and texture of traditional pasta, these offer another way to get more nutrition from your grains.
These pastas are made using the entire grain to help you reach whole grain goals. They're also higher in fiber.
If diagnosed with celiac disease or gluten sensitivity, these pastas deliver functionality and taste without the gluten.
Once you find a favorite, use it to prepare spring-inspired recipes.
Spring Vegetable Pasta Primavera. Heat oil and add garlic. Add asparagus, green beans, and carrots, then stir in peas and artichokes.
Stir in skyr, lemon zest, lemon juice, and season with salt and pepper. Add reserved pasta liquid, add pasta, and toss to combine. Garnish with Parmesan when serving.
For these recipes and more,
visit BigY.com.